Hey everybody, it's Wes McDonald here. I want to thank you for joining me for another AI FYI. And today we're going to talk a little bit about how you can improve the SEO value and the ranking value of your content that you're going to be posting on LinkedIn. What I'm going to be talking about here is not using AI to create content, but to take the great content that you already wrote and make it better. So let's dive in. As you can see on my screen here now, the first thing I've done is actually created a prompt that will actually help me to optimize the content, which I'm simply going to copy and paste in here. So I've actually created this, and now I'm going to go in and get the content and paste it in here, and you'll see what happens next. This is my rough writing right now, and what I'm going to do is take this and simply copy some of the text from the document, and now I'm going to paste it. And now I simply paste the information into ChatGPT as it's asked me for the instructions and let it run its course. And now what you're going to look at is it's actually completely taking everything I've written, and it's really acting as an editor, going through it and looking for that. And as we all know, optimizing content for search engine optimization is a difficult practice, so it's really nice to have a tool like this to be able to help us to do that. And if you need help, contact me directly. I'd love to help you learn how you can use generative AI in your business today. And until next time, keep learning.